This is Jayden G, and I'm here, back again, another song. Man, this one is gonna be good. 3, 2, 1. I was a boy, now I need more appreciation. I was a boy, and I need more appreciation. I was a boy, I need a more appreciation. More appreciation. This is what a boy needs. More appreciation, more needs. Oh my gosh, now why don't you look at me? I don't understand us. Now we're in a different class. Now I don't go like a sixth class in the year go back. Now I'm looking for the new backpack. Now I'm not looking who is but that fat. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at the time. It's 8:47 right now. I don't want to ride. Now I'm just looking at the time. Get the time to ride now, and baby, I'm back, and I know I need more appreciation. More appreciation. Give me some more appreciation. That's what a boy deserves. Some more appreciation. You need some appreciation. You need some appreciation. That's what a boy needs on a raindrop schedule. A raindrop schedule. Okay. Alright. This was supposed to be a sad song. Now I'm gonna go wrong. Now that's like 8:52 coming back with my charger that is in my backpack. I'm just in look for a new pack and fall back to school. I see my cousin that's in grade 5. Now I'm looking what's my need for. Now what am I gonna get for more? I'm gonna get for more stuff. What? More stuff, more pillows, more things, more life, more hats, more cats, more dogs, more bats, more cats. I already said that before, but raindrop. Raindrop. So now you see me with that respect hat. I'm like the Mac hat. Now I'm like Max 60 Mass Effect. Now I'm looking, and I play some Minecraft. Looking for the new rafts to go on the raft reel. And I see spawning pigs, spawning wigs on girls. I don't know why. Behind the head, they have bald hair. What the heck are they doing? They playing Pokemon Go. Like I wanna go and play in my freaking snow. In my backyard I go. Cause I really wanna know who's the really big hoe. Now I see it's 8:54. Now I'm looking who's the new person to think of more. But I'm just looking for more core. That's what I'm saying. What am I doing? I'm saying that I'm gonna wear a respect hat. That's what I said before. This is a new rap that belongs to me and my girl. Say what? I'm running out of Starburst too. Who cares about you? Oh my god. Man. What the video I just posted. This is about Havoc. He's just a lavic. He's trying to make me laugh? What the heck? I don't even want to laugh. Man. I'm wearing the respect hat because I know I need more respect. You're a bully and you want to go fire respect. On Minecraft, that's all they freaking do. They really want to mess with me. Oh my, I will mess with you. Gosh, that's what they want to do. They want to go with the flow. Oh my god, I don't even know why you're good, bro. Are you good, bro? Single question, yes or no. Oh my gosh, I'm looking for the hoe. Looking for the new snow. Yeah, it's Jayden G. Man, guys. We've been through a lot of songs together. This was probably my best one. Well, this was my best rap, that was for sure. But yes, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button. It only takes 2 seconds of your day, please. And we're going halfway through the album. Guys, next song looks like we're gonna have. Our next song is. Our next song is Bright Moon. So guys, that is not gonna be a rap. You know, it sounds like it would never be a rap, which is true. So guys, see y'all later, gamers. Peace.